Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for arts and crafts business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search, Wix. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create a new site. Now search for your business or your website type. Now enter your business name or your website name. Now choose what do you want to add to your website: blog, video, groups, online store, bookings, events, portfolio, music, Instagram feed, forms. So all these. Next, start setting up your website. Now go to the dashboard. Wait a few seconds. Design your site. Now, how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize a design template. So let's choose this. Get started. Now wait a few seconds. So now enter your information here, your email, your address, and your phone. Here if you want to add a social link. Also here you can add the logo. So next, here pick a theme you like. So for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Next, here if you want to add the pages to your site. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So here if you want to edit more your website, so this is the settings of the website. Here you can add elements. So here the text, if you want to manage your themed text here, the size or the shape of the writing, the title, and the paragraph. So that's it. Let's move on to the image. Here if you want to search any image, or if you want to show more image here. So let's move on. The button, text and the icon buttons here. If you want to manage your shape or the size of the button, the icon buttons, the image buttons and document buttons, and the iTunes buttons, quick chat buttons, and here the last thing, the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. So let's move on to the strip. If you want to manage your strip, classic, featured, about services, contact and welcome testimonials, and theme. So let's move on to the decorative, the basic shapes, uh, my lines, themed lines, basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines, the featured, the icons, the animal and nature, the logos and the badges, the characters, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video, related apps. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes. Here, themed boxes, container boxes, hover boxes, and the tabs, the last thing. So the gallery, let's move on to the gallery. Pro galleries, grid galleries, slider galleries, and more galleries here. So that's it. Let's move on to the menu and anchor. Here, if you want to themed menus, horizontal menus, vertical menus. So let's move on to the contact and forms, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, and the application forms, the feedback forms. So here you can manage anything you want, the request forms, the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. Here the Google Maps, the full width maps, and here the shot, the Wix shot, and the line. So that's it. Let's move on to the video and the music. Wix video, video box, video mask, transparent video. So here you can manage your video and image settings. So let's move on. Interactive. If you want to edit slideshows, full width slideshows or box slideshows, light boxes, the boxes, and wrap pictures. So the list here, if you want to edit the list settings, the embed code, the social media bar. Here, if you want to edit your social media bar, the Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, VK, and the line, the payments. If you want to edit your payments here, the blog. Here, if you want to manage your site content, the store, and the bookings, the events, and the community. And here your design, if you want to edit your design. So let's move on. Here, if you want to add a section on your website, you can select any section here you want. See team and contact, promotion services, subscribe, testimonial, clients, store, bookings, events, and basics, text, and lists. So here is the section settings. The site design, here if you want to design your site, the color theme or the text theme, or the page background, the page transitions. If you want to add more apps here. So if you want to manage your business here, and the media, if you want to manage the media, upload your media here. Here if you want to manage your site content, and the last thing here, marketing and SEO. So after you design your site, here if you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to do a quick edit, explore sections layout, and here if you want to delete the section or duplicate it or copy or cut. So here if you want to design your website as you like. So after you're done from editing your website, as you see here, all you have to do is click here, publish, and you're gonna publish your website, and easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.